Hello, Jason here from Septic Tank TV, and in the next few minutes I'm going to show you how not to get ripped off if you need a new septic tank installed, right? And this video is entitled Septic Tank Installation Cost. So let me show you three really simple basic tips that will save you thousands of pounds. So number one, if you need to replace your septic tank or get a new one installed or install a new septic tank, then the first thing I'd recommend is get 3 quotes. You'll be surprised at how much they differ. If you need a new septic tank and soak away, typically, right, it will cost you anywhere from say 10 to 15,000 pounds, right? And if you get 3 quotes, you can go for the person or the company that you like best, but also you can actually pit them against one another. So you can say, well, look, you know, we've been quoted 10 grand, we do like you, you've charged us 50, you want to charge us 15, is there any movement on the price? So you get leverage, right? So always get 3 quotes, number one. All right, so number two. Many people come around and say, oh, septic tanks are illegal now, you can't use them, you need to put in a treatment plant, and putting in a treatment plant could put another £10,000 on the price of a septic tank or of sewage treatment plant installation. Okay, so for that reason, let me just explain, right, when you'd need a septic tank or when you need the treatment plant. It's really simple. If you've got any water courses, such as a ditch, a well or a stream or anything like that on your land, right? And the place where you're proposing to put the septic tank is at least 15 meters away, then you only need to go for a septic tank. So don't let anyone mislead you into anything else. If you haven't got any water courses or any ditches on your land, then again, you do not need a treatment plant. You can go for a septic tank. If you're looking to put a new system in and it's literally, you know, a few meters or a few feet away from a water course, then you have to go for a treatment plant. But in 99% of cases, you will just need to go for a septic tank and soak away. And by doing that, by going down that route, by knowing what the law is, right, you can save yourself 10 grand. Okay, so this is the third and it's one of the most popular actually options. If you've got an old septic tank that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 or 100 years old, right? People come and say, oh, septic tanks are illegal. We'll need to put a new system in for you, either a treatment plant or a septic tank, and we're going to charge you 15 to 25 grand. Before you agree to anything or you know, feel scared to hell to death by what they've just told you, right? The government, right, sanction septic tank converters. These are small black boxes, right, that go on the end of your existing septic tank that may be 100 years old, 50 years old, whether it's made of fiberglass or concrete, it doesn't matter. These systems, right, cost you less. They're about just over 2,000 quid they are, and they'll make your old system legal, right? And they negate the need for having to replace your septic tank and soak away with a new one. So if you get someone round, say to them, look, option number one, this is what I'd like to consider, going for a septic tank converter. Many people won't like you suggesting that or telling them what to do because they make a living out of installing septic tanks. So this is why I say get 3 quotes. Hopefully one of them will be someone who's unbiased and just wants to give you a fair price and do a fair job. So those are the 3 tips that I would give you to help you save thousands of pounds. But the final tip that I'd like to give you, I just want to show you something that beats options 1 and 2. If you've got to put a new system in, right, and you can't put a converter in, then I want to show you something that will save you thousands and thousands of pounds. It's called a septic tank and soak away kit, and you can just get your builder to do it, or a groundsman, right, and save yourself 15 grand. These septic tank and soak away kits are a couple of grand. You get the tank, you get the inspection chamber, you get the soak away, and if you just know someone who can dig a hole and put them in, they can have them in a couple of hours. So thank you for watching this video, but have a look at this next video, as I said, because it'll show you, it's only a short video, but it'll explain what a septic tank and soak away kit is.
Here's an example of one here, and you can buy them now based on the number of bedrooms that you've got. So whether you've got 1 to 2, 3 to 4, 5 to 6, 7 to 8 bedrooms, you can now buy a complete septic tank and soakaway kit. So let's say you've bought your septic tank and soakaway kit. They're probably going to cost you, I don't know, depending on the number of bedrooms, they start off about 1,500 quid. But the point is, you'll save 5,000-6,000 quid straight away by buying your own septic tank and soakaway. But I'll show you more about that in a minute. But let me show you how easy they are to install. Okay, so let me just get this up. Where are we? All right, so let's say that you've decided where you're going to put your septic tank and soakaway. So it's really, really easy. So this is the principle, right? First thing is you dig a trench. Now this trench will obviously come from your property, your house, your workshop, your shed, whatever. So you just, first of all, you just dig a normal trench, just like that. Okay, standard 150 mil trench, just like that. Now, then once you've done that, right, you then dig a hole for the septic tank. So let me see if I can find that. There you go. So next you dig a hole. It's as simple as that. Take you about 40-50 minutes to do. And this hole here is where the septic tank is going to go into. So let me put the tank in the hole for you. Okay, so there we go. Just like the picture we saw, didn't we? So this is a typical low profile septic tank. So if I just do it from the side, this is what it looks like from the side. Let me just put the profiles on here so you can see it a bit clearer. There we go. All right, so that's what it looks like from the side. All right, and so basically from the trench, you would put in the pipe from the property would come down the trench. Let me just turn it around and show you there. So that would be your pipe from the house. Let me move that along so you could see. All right, so these pipes are standard 110 mil. So there you go. So your pipe will come from your house and it will just slot straight into the inlet pipe of the septic tank. It really is that easy. It's just a case of really digging some holes here, right? So once you've done that, right, once you've dug your hole and you've put your septic tank in, what next? Well, the next thing to do is here, where you can see I've outlined it here. You dig another hole here. And here you put an inspection chamber. So let me put the inspection chamber in for you. There we go. It's just a standard 360 or 460 mil inspection chamber. And then you just connect a pipe from the septic tank to the inspection chamber. How easy is that, right? How easy is that? All right. So once you've done that, it's then time to do the soakaway. Now, there's loads of different soakaway products out there. Personally, I'm biased because I like to use the latest technology, and septic tank soakaway crates are the latest technology, right? So so what you do, you dig a little hole, right? And then once you've done that, you literally, right, put some crates in it. There's 1, there's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And septic tank soakaway crates are amazing because they're very strong. They can come up to like 65-ton bearing load, so you can drive over them. And they are very shallow. You know, I mean, take you probably about 15 minutes to dig the hole here for the septic tank soakaway. And, you know, they last about 80, 90, 100 years. And, you know, they're about £5 cheaper than putting a herringbone system in. Building control love them. So once you put your crates in, you then just run a pipe straight from there into the crates. Okay? It's as simple as that. And once you've done that, you then cover the crates over with a special membrane, just like so. And that basically stops the soil getting into them. So if I just zoom out a bit now, okay, so there you have it. That is basically how to install your very own septic tank and soakaway. It really is that easy. If you have always wanted to use a digger, or maybe you're confident using a digger, take you about 2 hours, something like that, to put all this in. Okay, no concrete, no electricity. You know, it's really as simple as that. You can use this video if you want as a guideline to do so. So typically, if you get a firm in, they will charge you to supply and fit anywhere from 8 to 12,000 quid. maybe a bit more depending on the number of bedrooms you've got. A septic tank and soakaway kit, right, will cost you, let me show you. All right, so let me show you this. So let's just go on to here. Let's say you went for the 1 to 2 bedroom one. There you go, 1499. That's all that they are at the moment. Because of the COVID-19 problems and stuff, they're reduced at the moment to help people. Every little helps, right? So what do you get with a septic tank and soakaway kit? Well, you get 5 times 3 meters of underground pipe, single socketed, so you haven't got to worry about connections and stuff like that. All done for you. You get the inspection chamber you just saw in the video. You get a heavy duty low profile septic tank, which means they don't need any concreting. There's lots of tanks out there, but you've got to concrete them in, whether they're onion tanks or low profile tanks. But I only sell the heavy duty ones because, you know, you can save yourself 800 to 1,000 quid by not having to concrete it in. And you also get the septic tank and soakaway crates, and you also get with it free membrane. So there you go. So that's my tip for the day. If you'd like to save yourself 8 to 10,000 quid, and you'd like to install your own septic tank and soakaway, that is how to do it. Right, take you a couple of hours, and you'll have fun doing it. So listen, thank you very much for watching this video today. If you'd like to see more free help, more free videos which offer free help and advice, and just go to, where are we, septictank.co.uk. Let me just come out of here and go back to here. Look, there we go. Let's try that again. There we go. Oops, get off technology. Oh man, let's try. There we go, got it. All right, so if you want to see more videos like this that offer free help and advice, then just go to septictank.co.uk, or you can go onto Google and type in Septic Tank TV. There you'll see my Septic Tank TV channel on YouTube. If you're subscribed, you can be in with a chance to win a free septic tank and soakaway kit. So listen, once again, thank you very much for watching. You take care, and I'll speak to you.
For more information, just click the link below this video, or visit septictank.co.uk for free help and advice.